We will see how to declare variables in the interface of Fizz. So after clicking the button, every variable is identified as with an URI that is either auto-generated or can be manually set. So if it comes from another infrastructure or another ontology, you can put it here. The variable has a quadruple definition with an entity that is the object that is where the measure is made. So in our example it will be the canopy. Then we have the characteristic that is the qualitative or quantitative measure that is made. So in our example it is temperature. Then we have the method that is used to acquire this variable. So in this example this is an image analysis with the infrared spectrum. And finally we have the unit that is used to express the results, so it is degrees Celsius. Once you have put all the details, you have a suggestion about a name that is all the different parts together. You also have a proposition with a short name that is the entity and the characteristic. This name can be used in tables or in graphics, for example, where the long one is not suited. Then you have the data type, if it's a date or a boolean, so in our case it's decimal number. It is used to check if the data is in the correct type when inserting. Next we have the time interval, that is how often the measure is made, so if it's every hour, every day or every week. In our example it's just once a week. We also have the sample interval, that is the granularity of the measure, if it's concerning a few millimeters or a few meter or even kilometer of entity, if it's made from the space, for example. And the last part is the description of the variables. So you want the description to be as precise as possible for you and others to understand the variable clearly after the declaration. Once everything is okay, you can submit. After submitting, you can see the summary of your declaration with the URI that is made, the name that you have given, the description you have made also, the 4 different components with a link for each one. You can also see that we can have some references from ontology. At the moment there is no references, but you can add them by clicking this little globe here. So you can browse from these portals or ontology and find the concept that you want. And once you found it, you can say if it's an exact match, so exactly the same concept, or closely or broader or narrower. And you put the reference of this ontology. Making the links will help people understand your variables if it's already declared somewhere else. They will see that, okay, it's a broader definition of a variable.